Hello everyone. Good noon everyone. Good noon everyone. so it means I thought my sore throat is okay. And I'm sorry I got late by live streaming from chess videos and my earphone is still broken so cannot work because the wireless is still damaged. So I will buy my earphone without my save my money, and I use by headphone by Kobe from laptop or computer. So if you hear my voice, so so we need to understand from this one. So we're here from this one. It is analyze of these games in US Championships 2025 or 2025 US Women's Chess Championships. So today is round number 9. So these are a long game or time clocks within round robin. And also have a between from this international master in USA is Anna Santosky versus the 15 years old from international master in USA is Alice Lee. So it means 2 rounds left or today's round number 9. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after round number 9 in women's Swiss. So white plays Santosky is d4, d5 Lee, c4, and also e6. So it's called by Queen's Gambit. So without Queen's Gambit decline. So these are the main lines here by used by c6 is called by slack defense here. So it means e6. So e6 by Lee is Queen's Gambit decline. And also knight c3 and also captured is called by Queen's Gambit decline, Queen's Knight's variation. So it means without captured by, it's called by this one Queen's Gambit decline accepted. And also e4 without opening the bishops. So these are the attacks this one, the pawns here. And also c5. So without attacks this pawns, or maybe without pawns, without attacks this one, or without used by this one, accepted by without queen to queen here. And also decided push d5 by Santosky. So no need by captured by d takes c5. So because these are the d5 without pushes by this one. So these are the attacks this one, the pawns here. And also knight f6 by Lee. And also bishop captured, captured, and also a6 good move by Lee. So next move by d5 attacks these bishops here. And also knight f3 by Santosky by preparing castling. And also another good move is bishop d6 by Lee, or ready by castling by Alice Lee. And also queen e2 check, and also bishop e7. So it means okay by bishop e7 is okay. So these are a the problem. These are a novelty by Lee. So new move. So these are the old main lines here by recording by queen to e7. So queen e7 here, so need more queen to queen. So it means novelty by bishop e7, bad move by Lee. And also castling. So these are a X my X so X by castling. So wrong by castling queenside. So it means the best moves this one is bishop to g5. So bishop g5 here. So need more by bishop to g5 before by this one the castling king side here. So castling king side. So it means bishop g5 is the best move. So these are the advantage from whites here. So back there is castling X move by Santosky, and also castling by Lee, and also rook e1 without queens behind the rooks here. And also so it means without queens, without threats the bishops. So without queens, without threats the bishops here. And next move by this one is rook e8. So without defense the bishop, so another bad move by Lee. So the best moves this one is bishop to d6. So bishop d6 here. So these are a slightly better from blacks here. So slightly better here. So back there is rook e8 by Alice Lee. So these are the rooks without queens, the queens and rooks here. And also bishop g5. So good precise by Santosky without threats the knights. And also knight pd7 without defense the knights or the bishop without threats the or not threats without defense the knights here. And also a4, so bad move by Santosky. So that's not one of this computer engine. So the one's computer the best moves is knight to e4. So knight e4 here. So if you capture this one, so if you capture this, knight takes captured here, and also queen takes knight. So it means bishop captured without bishop. So no need by captured the knight captured knights here. So these are a slightly better from whites here. So advantage here by solutions. So back there, this one is pawn a4 by Santosky and also h6 without threats the bishop. Bishop backwards, another bad move by Santosky. So the best moves is knight e4 again. So no need more knight e4. So knight e4 is a right move here. So knight e4 is a slightly better here. So slightly better here from this one. So it means bishop backwards h4 by Santosky and bishop d6 without opening, without rooks. Threats the queens here because these are the move side these bishops here. And also queen c2 by Santosky and also knight e5 by Lee without threats the knights here, without counters attacks, and also knight captured, bishop captured without bishops threats the knights here without opening by rook to rook here. And also decided push d6 without sacrifice by Santosky and queen captures sacrifice the pawns, and also rook a d1 attacks this one disturb, eliminates the queens here, and also bishop captured check. What? So it means without bishop check, or because these are the defense without queens here. And decided this one is king force h1, good move by Santosky, and good move, rook captured accepted. Rook captured without good move by Alice Lee. Rook takes and also bishop e5 go back. So without bishop e5 go back, so it means that's not one of this computer by Lee. So the one's computer the best moves this one is bishop to g4. So bishop g4 here. So these are the is a right move by bishop g4. So these are a slightly better from blacks here. So back there is bishop backwards e5 go backs by Alice Lee, and also knight e4 good move by Santosky. So without attacks the queens or threats the knights here. And also decided knight captured, queen captured, and also queen d4 without queen to queen. And decided pawn f4 without attacks the bishop or without pawns, without threats the bishop, or without queen to queen. So without queen to queens by this one, or without queens. So queens without threats the bishop, without controls by this one the targets attacks. And decided by Lee, queen takes accepted, rook takes, and also bishop captured pawns, and also rook e8 check good move by Santosky, and king h7, bishop captured pawns, and also pawn g5 attacks the bishop, captured bishop, and also bishop d4. So these are a bad move by Alice Lee. So that's not one of this one by bishop d4. So the one's computer the best move this one is pawn to b5 here. So these are the right move here. So if you a takes b5 captured, and also a takes b5. So these are a double pawns the without pawn structure here. So these are a slightly better here from advantage here. So bishop d4 by Alice Lee, and also bishop d5 without defense the pawns. And also king g7, king must be active by Lee or what? So it means cannot move the kings here. And also king h2 without king must be active by Santosky, and also bishop f2, g3 without controls. Bishop d4 go back, and also bishop f4. So within controls by this one from this Santosky, and also king g6, and also pawn g4. So pawn g4 here, and also bishop f2, king g2 attacks the bishop, bishop h4, bishop d6 without bishop pairs. So these are the bishop pairs or threats the pawns here. And also king g5 attacks the pawns without kings, without threats the pawns here, or without bishop attacks this one, the pawns here. And also bishop f3 develops the pawns, and also king f6. Oh, without king f6 or maybe moved by king f7 attacks the rooks. And also bishop captured pawns, and also king f7 attacks the rooks. So threats the rooks here, and also rook f8 check, king e6, and also a5. So need more controls the move by Santosky. And also king d7, bishop b6, and also bishop e7 without attacks this rook. So without threats the rooks here, and also rook g8, and also king e6, king g3, and also rook b8, bishop c7 attacks the rooks, rook a8, g5, and also bishop captured, bishop g4 check. So why don't we rook captured bishop? So how do you control here? So these are the continuous here. So how do you control by this one to continue by rook captured? So it means, so wins for whites by Santosky. So it means, so decided bishop g4 check by Santosky, and also king d5, bishop captured. Wow. So bishop captured here. So without bishop captured, so it means without threats the captured the pawns. So it means, so how do you control this one? So if you bishop captured and continues by rook captured, so it means no more rooks here. So do not capture the bishop captured pawns. So let's continue. Bishop takes c8, and also king d4, bishop b6 check, king c3, king f3, bishop d2, and also king e4, king b4. So it means king b4 by Lee, and also king d5 by Santosky, bishop f4, and also rook e8. So rook e8 is moves here. Bishop h2 by backwards or without diagonals by bishop h2, and also rook f8. So what the plans, or maybe here by, so cannot move this one, so cannot move by this one if you move by rook f2 without threats the bishop or continuous rook captured bishop. So no need by moves by rooks here. Rook b8, rook h8 threats the bishop. So if you rook captured bishop or continues rook captured bishop, so it need more stay by rook. And also bishop g3, rook g8 attacks the bishop, bishop h2, king e6, king c3, sorry. So it means, so king e6 here. So king e6 here. So sorry, I got wrong note. So king e6, king c3, king d7, rook e8, bishop c7, king b4, rook g4 check, king b5, and last shot, rook g5 check. So these are a, so it means, so doesn't do it, so it means resigned by Alice Lee. So it means very loose by Alice Lee. So I thought Alice Lee is a wins from this one. So Alice Lee cannot cannot do it because so Alice Lee is a very difficulty by harder. So it means the score by accuracy by Santonsky is 89.1 and 84.3 by score accuracy by Alice Lee. So the winner from round number 9, Anna Santonsky. Congratulations. So I will next up this one by women's Swiss from championship. So between round number 10 to 11, so I don't have the waste of time. So I will analyze between Carissa Yip, so the championship. So the round 10 between International Master by hosted by Nasi Pakidsi, so round number 10. And also Woman Grandmaster, so I don't know what the name. So I will looking from this name from this one players. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka I Cool Mark 17. So have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chapter updates. So happy Tuesday and bye bye.